Yes guys, welcome back. So, bit of a dead day today, nothing much going on. It's obviously FOMC this week, so we're not going to be trading on Wednesday. Today was a break-even day. You obviously just saw the trade that we just took. Oh my god, the volume is terrible. I should have gone in with more contracts. Oh well. Was it? There's no way to even reduce risk. Well, it's only 12 handles, so I'm just going to wait. Right, so ES has actually taken our halfway point, so that's break even. So I'm gonna go risk free now. So break even trade. So let's see if this runs to the final. And then final objective will be at this low here, 6616. Looks like I'm about to get taken out. Yes. Alright, no problem. Break even first short. So I'm going to show you guys why we took it. So going on to the 50-minute time frame, we can see that we're trading at all-time highs, but we can see this next 15-minute high has been formed. So this would be a point of minor buy side. Now what do we notice between NQ and ES? ES has taken the high, NQ hasn't, therefore we have a bearish S&T. Now because the 15-minute time frame has then swept this high, so if we go onto NQ, it goes up and sweeps the high, coming into the secondary macro, so there you have it. Once it's swept this high, that makes the 15-minute bias bearish because this high has been taken on the 15, so that means that its objective has been met after price had tapped into this 15-minute bullish gap. So once its objective had been met, its next draw would be lower towards 24162, which is the next 15-minute low. So that's why the 15-minute was bearish and every other time frame was neutral, because they'd either not swept the high, because if you look on the 1 hour, that's not a 1 hour high. If you look on the 4 hour, it's not a 1 hour high. If you look on the 5 candle that has swept it has already been forming outwards, so that's not a valid trade to take. So looking at price now, we've built a lot of decent structure around this point, so let's see if we get a displacement lower. So there we have it, we're getting a displacement lower through this short-term low. So there's a displacement, mark out on ES as well. And then what could we see? We can see this bearish order block being inversed, plus it was paired with this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. So once price had tapped it inside of this gap, which you can see right here at 10.08, 4.08 on my chart, or if we look on the Nasdaq pricing, it was at 24258. So I was in for shorts of this 1 minute bearish gap, stops at the high for 11 handles, and then TP at the low, whatever the hell this was. I don't know what the hell this was, it was crazy, for a 1 to 3, and this halfway point would have been our break even, and then we're marking out that same point on ES. So what do we notice again? What do we notice again between NQ and ES? ES has taken that low, so therefore we have a bullish SMT. So by the time we got to this point, I was risk free, and then there you have it. Price stopped us out, and we were out for that trade, and no other setups are presented, so we were done for the day. I'll be patient, waiting for the next day to see what we get. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that little recap. If you want to watch me trade live each day, this was taken live on a Discord. All the thought process was spoken through. Then link will be in the bio on my WhatsApp, or message me on Instagram if you have any questions. Apart from that, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next AM session.